Okay, it's taken me a little while to get this microphone working, but now that I have, he's asleep right here. And I'm going to record him sleeping so that you can have a little something, because I know it's been driving you crazy. So, give me just 1 second. I'm going to get the video camera over there, and I'm going to put this little microphone right over his little nose that you can hear him. I told you he snored loudly. Oops, looks like the video camera was off a little bit. And look at this hair. He needs a haircut. He's getting one when he comes down for poke salad. I hope you know this. But there's my little angel. You see he's in his bed. This is his view to it. He's got his little animals jumping around. And he can look up here and see stuff. He's got Bugs Bunny over there. There's the cricket. Charlie Brown over there. And then his changing table is over here, and he's got Daffy Duck. And I put a shelf up to get to stuff a little bit easier. There's his changing table. And I'm going to put his big blue thing that you made him up right there. But it's just taking us a little while to get things up in here because we don't want to disturb him. So, eventually it'll all get done. Love you.